wings on the mountain. We emerge from the darkness. It's our fate, never doubted. Like a storm in the desert, hear the words of a sermon. We're gonna flood through the valley and sweep up with the current. Like the soul of the river, we rise up and deliver. Ain't nothing gonna hold us down. Let the world know we're coming, like smoke on the mountain. I see the tides of the ocean overflow the fountains. Got that rebel behavior, taking fortune and favor. Leave it all on the table, we're rising up. We're gonna rise, we're gonna rise. See the look in our eyes, we're gonna rise. We're gonna rise, we're gonna rise. See the look in our eyes, we're gonna rise. And like the soul of the river, we rise up and deliver. No, nothing's gonna hold us down. We're gonna rise, we're gonna rise. See the look in our eyes, we're gonna rise. We're gonna rise, we're gonna rise, we're gonna rise, we're gonna rise, yeah. See the look in our eyes, see the look in our eyes, we're gonna rise. See that look in our eyes, we're gonna rise.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you made me up, you made me a believer, believer. Hey, you break me down, you build me up, believer, believer. Let the bullets fly, or let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from. Hey, you made me up, you made me a believer, believer. Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choked.